Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My full name is Andi Ardiansyah. I'm from Aipi, Makassar. My major is Nautika, level 2.
And my name was Christoper, my major Nautika level 2.
Tiga.
Hey, how's your English exam go?
Not bad, thanks. How about you? How did your presentation go?
It went really well. Thank you for helping me with it.
No problem. So, how do you feel like studying tomorrow for our math exam?
Yeah, sure. Come over around 10 after breakfast.
Alright, I'll bring my notes.
Tiga.
Hey, how did your English exam go?
Not bad. Thanks. How about you? How's your presentation go?
Oh, it went really well. Thanks for helping me with it.
Sure. So, do you feel like studying tomorrow for our math exam?
Yes, sure. Come over around 10 after breakfast.
Alright, I'll bring my notes.